Okay, kitty. Pomni or A? Huh, Pomni it is. Careful. Oh, it's just not Pomni's day. People really need to watch their step. Don't worry, Pomni. We'll clean you up. And when we're done, we'll replace your old limbs with brand new pop tubes. Ooh, they're flexible. Now let's add a silicone squish. Make a few changes, and Pomni's got lips. And look, kitty, here's a new friend for you. Remember, true beauty's on the inside. So let's see who he is deep down. The head's a little trickier. Beads! Told you true beauty's inside. Dig a little deeper, and... wow! Teeth! But they're in need of a good scrubbing. Look, it's Kane! Let's dress him up. Ooh, is someone about to have their big day? Oh, poor Dolly! She's half the girl she used to be. Don't worry, we can rebuild her. By which I mean, make her a kitty. Too bad Mom's not a cat person. Poor kitty, and she's not the only one. Don't worry, you're coming with us. Just gotta sneak past Mom, and done. Now let's make some space for you. You'll have the closet all to yourself. But it can still use some customization. Why don't we make an opening? To make you your own kitty door. And with some toothbrush bristles. It's great for a quick brush. Now let's roll out the carpets. And this remote car can be a 5-star delivery service. And a plastic bottle's great for holding dry food. Put it somewhere your cat can get it. In case it wants a midnight snack. Next up, we're gonna need some hair. Barring that, string or rope is fine. Either way, wrap it around a plastic pipe. Oh, but where to put it? Oh, make a hole. Put it through and add more pipes. Soon you'll have a massive scratching post. And we can decorate with our favorite plush toys. Always great to lend a hand or two.
Yeah! Woohoo!
With cats, toilets are basically drinking fountains. So let's make sure it's got clean water. Now grab a pop tube and roll on some paper. After all, every toilet needs TP. Hey, where'd all this cotton come from? Don't worry, we can fix him. But we can make him even better. by filling them up with treats. Look how easy it is to dispense. And with a few adjustments, it's also a seat. Ooh, candy. Ooh, slime. Two great things, just not together. So let's add catnip instead. Our little friend here will hold it, while your cat takes a few licks. Wow, what an amazing toy! Plop a little ball inside, and you can fold it into new shapes. Even with the ball still inside. Ooh, there's a bulb on the fritz. Well, we can still use the empty glass. Ditch the wire and fill with water. Add some cardboard and a phone, and you've got yourself a new video projector. Guess we can spare this plushie now that we've got the real thing. Drill some holes. Add cat-friendly seeds and water. This toy's got a brand new dew. And your cat gets a quick nibble. Next, slice up a big plastic bottle. Add some twine on the sides to make handles. And add something soft. Hang up a tiny kitty hammock with a special surprise inside. Ooh, where'd that red dot come from? I think it wants to show us something. Wow, a cat treat gadget. Let's take it for a spin. Look, it's cat treats all around. For your cat, it's dinner and a show. What the? Ugh, how'd a bug get in here? It's okay. Take some cardboard. And we can make some kitty cubbies. It'll keep your cat's favorite things safe. Which, naturally, are mostly just food. Just make sure to close it up. Of course, cats are also partial to balls of yarn. So, lay down some yarn, hot glue some sticks, and lay them down like a bridge. Hook it up. Let's test it out. Now that's what I call sturdy. Sushi. Let's make our own. Black for seaweed, white for rice, and yellow for egg. And add your favorite fillings. Now roll it up and start slicing. But it's not for eating, it's for hanging up. Hey, how'd that get in there? Well, we can use it to attach these pipes. Once it's secure, we can hook it up too. Ooh, look at that hair. Oh, inspiration strikes. Let's add color. And make a bunch. It can give the lamp the cozy cover it needs. Just add some finishing touches, and our cat closet's almost ready. It's time for our new feline friend to explore their new pad. You must be this cute to go through. Careful now, there's a detour. Oh, there's so many things to play with. And even fun things to eat. Hey, being cute is thirsty work. This sushi sure looks like fun. Let's take a look on top. Ooh, a ball. Try to catch it. Look, a well-stocked pantry. And plenty of plants to nibble on. After all that fun, it's time for a nap. But the best part about a closet is that it's great for hiding stuff. Also helps if your cat's a magician. Ah, cats. It's their world. We're just living in it.